Okay, welcome back to 50 Targeted Traffic Methods for Online Businesses. In this video, we're going to be discussing video marketing, and it's going to be the first of a couple of videos. And one of the first things you want to do is you really want to create a relevant video. And one of the best ways in which to do that is to make sure that you understand the problems that are happening in your niche. Most marketers will agree that when you do videos, one of the things that you always want to have is you want to have a running kind of a running list of the top 10 problems that your audience has. And you can find out what these problems are by surveying them. And I'll show you how you can do that in a minute. Very simple task, especially if you already have an email list. One of the things that you can do very simply, you can create a simple survey at a site that's free called SurveyMonkey. Now, of course, you can pay for certain things. I mean, you can pay for the solutions, but this is a very good solution. It's free, and you'll be able to send out surveys, and you'll be able to track the results with your subscribers. Okay, another way that you can find out about what the top 10 problems are, what people are searching for with respect to your niche, is that you can do keyword research with Google Trends or Google Alerts, as well as to use the YouTube keyword tool. And actually, maybe I'll show you that too. Let's take a look here for the YouTube keyword tool. Now, this is only to give you ideas. This is not an exact science, but you'll see if people are searching inside of YouTube for your search term. Okay, so we'll go inside of YouTube here. And what we're going to do is we'll just type in our search phrase. Model airplanes. And we're going to ask for some other keyword ideas. Okay, so it doesn't look like we have much in the way of model airplanes. Let's try model aircraft. So what this means is there are probably not a lot of searches that go on inside of YouTube. However, what we can do is we want to then check the AdWords keyword tool. To see what people are searching for organically. We can use the AdWords keyword tool here. Or we can always use Google Trends to take a look at what people are searching for. Now, we've covered this in the keyword research video. Okay, we see model airplanes there. We can limit that to the last 12 months. And then we'll get some idea of what people are typing into the search bar. So these might be important terms, and these might be things that we want to do videos on. And the same would be true of the AdWords keyword tool. This will kind of give us some idea of what people are searching for. We'll see some keywords there. Things like plastic model airplane kits. All of these are things that might be good terms to do our video about. Right? If people have questions about them, and those are the things that they're searching for. Okay, when we do our video should be helpful to the people that are watching according to their question. When possible, we want to put ourselves in the video because, again, people like to connect with people. And I know that there are times when we like to do videos like the one that you're watching now, screencast videos. However, what you want to try to do when you can is to include yourself in the video so that people can connect with you. One of the other things you're going to do in order to get your video exposure is to submit your video to either PixelPipe, TubeMogul, or Traffic Geyser. Let's take a look at those sites. And when you submit your video to PixelPipe, what PixelPipe is doing is it's syndicating it to other video sites, social networks, and other blogs. Okay, so you'll need to set up an account with PixelPipe. The same thing is true with TubeMogul. It's actually considered itself to be a video advertising site. Okay, you'll need to set up an account, and there is a slight cost to TubeMogul. I mean, it's not very much, but you are getting your video to all the video sharing sites. One of the more expensive training solution or solutions is Traffic Geyser. Traffic Geyser is going to have you opt in. They're going to give you 21 days, and that 21 days is going to cost you, after 21 days, is going to cost you $97. Okay, but the first 21 days you can use it free. One of the best things one of the great things about getting inside of Traffic Geyser, and I'd highly recommend, is you're looking at the 10-10 market domination formula. That's an excellent way of doing video marketing, and highly recommended that you take a look at that in order to read it. It's one of the great ways to decide how you're going to do your video and how to actually get it out. Okay, and then with that, we'll go back to our presentation. The other thing is you want to make sure that you include a link inside of your video. Make sure your link is back to your site. That'll help you in terms of SEO, but mostly you want people to follow that link back to your site if they're interested in what you have to talk about and what you have to say. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.